Hey, tech savvy people, I am back with another tech review. Now here we have a Logitech wireless Bluetooth with a mouse keyboard. Here's the thing, I like it. The mouse does its thing. I don't know whether, I kind of, stupid me. Hold on one sec. I turn off the thing. But anyway, you can see it works. It's kind of like a laptop, right? So, power button is right here. It takes two AA batteries. The only function it does not have that I've noticed is a screen capture or screenshot type of thing. It has, stuff for like, music and like picture-in-picture, I guess, some home stuff. But there's nothing up here for, unfortunately, for the screen capture, which is okay. You can use Firefox and you can right click on your mouse and then it'll come up. This thing here is for the people who are left-handed. You can switch the thing back and forth. You have your volume controls, which obviously work. Keep forgetting to have it off, pardon me. But anyway, you see how, see what I'm saying? So, like I said, the on and off switch is right here. Turn it off, disables it. The reason I turn it off at nighttime is because you waste battery. I also have a wireless mouse, just your basic, nothing too fancy. Forgot the name of it. Wireless mouse. I think I got it from Walmart for like $10. The one feature I like about the mouse is you see the two little buttons on the side of it. I don't know if you can. My camera's all messed up. But anyway, you can see the side of the, there we go, the side of the mouse. It allows me to flick through things very quickly without much hassle. And I wanted to teach you guys something as well. You ever been on a laptop or a desktop and you're typing? I think this is disabled. So you're typing, blah, 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 blah. And you go enter and you go oops. And you know how usually people use a mouse? They use the mouse to go up the screen to correct it. Here's the thing for you. If you push tab pushes everything down. Now, I don't know if a lot of tech-savvy people know that. I found this out by mistake. If you push shift and tab, the shift and tab pushes your cursor for your mouse up. So you can actually use the tab kind of like a mouse. It doesn't go everywhere all over the page, I've found, but it does do, I'd say, 8 out of 10 things. At least for me. Caps lock does not glow to tell you what's on or not, which I think is another downfall. There would be no num lock on here because there was obviously nothing. There's no number pad here, so it would be pointless to have it. It's the only thing this thing lacks is screen capture and the num pad over here, the number pad, where you can go boom, 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 boom. But otherwise, I actually quite like it. It was a Christmas gift about 2 years ago from a friend of mine, and I appreciate it. I still have it. I didn't use it up till now. The piece that is supposed to go, I think it's this one. This one right here, the one with the funny looking Bluetooth thingy-majiggy, is the one that goes here. I got a nice sick desktop from an older lady because I helped her out a lot, so that's where I've been the last few days with my tech stuff. But she gave me the desktop, and I've had it for, 2 weeks, and it runs off of Wi-Fi, and it's got actually, the computer itself is pretty cool. I'm not going to show you too much about my desktop, but the thing carries a Bluetooth, which I thought was pretty awesome. But going back to this review, the product, I would give this a solid 8 out of 10 for the Logitech wireless mouse and keyboard 2-in-1 here. The reason, like I said, the reason why I give it a rating is because there is no number pad and there's no screen capture. I haven't really noticed much else. Everything else works the same. Windows button works the same. The function, you hit function and then the numbers across the thing here, across the top of the keyboard, like if I push FN and I push power, it turns off the system itself. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the product review that I have. This is a tech thing. If you guys have any questions about any stuff that is tech related, I have two channels. I'm not going to link them together right now. I'm really into tech. I really love tech. So if you have any questions about anything, let me know. Comment, like, and or subscribe.